The National Conference of Indian Association of Cardiovascular and Thoracic Surgeons conducted in Kerala for the first time in its history in 2005, and this conference was rated as one of the best conferences in the history of the association over the past 51 years. And I must say that the whole success of the events were related to the excellent execution and event management group which supported me and the organizing committee with this conference, and it is none other than the executive events. They have supported the conference in its all aspect, in entire, from A to Z. Also, what I felt more than the professionalism which they exhibited during this conference is the personal touch which they have put in to each and every aspect of this conference, and I have no hesitation whatsoever to recommend executive events for conducting such events in future to 100% precision.